Hi Steve, bit of a dogfight and a mad last 6 minutes.
Yeah, I think that was rewards for the work we put in the first 84 minutes. You know, I thought we started the game really well. We could have been 2-0.
Yeah.
Two great chances in the first minute.
Yeah.
Should have scored, didn't. Then we've had probably another 3 chances where we should have scored, didn't. Made it hard work for us ourselves. But I said last week that, you know, we stick to the process.
Yeah.
We keep working hard, and we keep doing what we do.
Yeah.
You know, and the proof's in the pudding.
Yeah.
You know, we got our rewards in the end. To be fair, Conwy were fantastic, I thought, tonight. Their defending, their last ditch tackles, was first class, and they were a credit to the football club tonight.
Yeah, I felt a bit sorry for them near the end that, you know, the 3-0 didn't reflect the game, but we did have the better chances throughout the game. And
yeah, I didn't feel sorry for them.
You didn't?
I thought we worked them all night.
Right.
We were much the fitter team.
Yeah.
And you know, we got what we deserved.
Okay.
I believe.
Yeah.
You know, yes, like I said, credit to them, they defended well, and they made it really tough for us. You know, but you know, we believed in it, and we kept going, and like I said, we got our rewards.
Okay, so on to Mould at home on Monday.
Yeah, you know, it's another difficult. They've had a good start, you know, newly promoted, and it's going to be another difficult test.
Yeah.
The lads, you know, you've seen the work they've put in there. You know, they're going to recover now over the weekend, ready for Monday, and you know, hopefully it'll be another positive result, and it'll be a great bank holiday.
Yeah, congratulations, well done, and see you Monday.
Cheers, thanks.
Thank you.